Hey guys, it's Alex, and this is the long-awaited first video. And today we're going to, do a walk around the car and see what we're gonna do. Sit right there. Let's jump right into the video. Before we get into the video, first I'm gonna start cleaning my wheels because they're like really dirty. Alright guys, so we're done. Finished washing the wheels. They're pretty clean. Show you that in a second. And the car is not washed. I actually just rinsed it off. It looks fairly decent, Let's go ahead and jump straight to the walk around and all the mods I've done to this Civic. Alright, so first of all, let's start off with the front end of the car. I got some eyelids, eBay parts, trying to do a budget build. They ran about $9.99, I believe. They ought to come in carbon fiber. It's a fake one, but it's like the generic one where it looks like it. I also got a RS style lip. Got that on eBay with the full lip kit. Right now I'm actually not going to put the lip kit on. You can tell right there, you got the lip. I don't got side skirts, nor do I got the rear bumper lip. I do have them, but I'm not putting them at the moment. Let's go ahead and finish up the front. Another aggressive look is this EMUSA intercooler. Yes, this car's boosted. We'll get into that later on the video. We'll start off with the wheels first. They look really clean right now. You can tell. Just did tire letterings like I said in the beginning of the video. That's like 2-3 layers. You can tell all these imperfections and stuff. All of that I'm gonna scratch off, with probably some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Probably get it off, make it look clean. I also got these JNCs. I believe they're JNC 049. These are 16 by 8 in the front. I do not know the offset at the moment. If you guys would like to know the offset of these wheels, leave it down in the comments below and I'll figure that out for y'all. You can tell it's not aggressive at all. Not that much in the front. These fenders are not rolled at the moment, but it's not hitting whether I accidentally go in a pothole. And pretty aggressive wheels. I already had this same style wheels, but they were not silver, not the specs I wanted. And the rear tires do poke out a lot. As you can see, got a little bit of camber going on. That's natural camber, no camber kits. I'm not a big fan of camber, so I'm really not gonna end up doing that. And I do have 6-speed lug nuts. I am sponsored by 6-speed. Anybody can get sponsored by 6-speed, so I got these on the low with some 6-speed merch. Pretty clean fitment for right now. Probably gonna keep the color that way. Let's go ahead and go to the back of the car. I got LED wind jet tail lights, so they are LEDs. Really nice. I got a rear view camera on here. It looks really good. Nothing too major, not too much, going on the outside besides some wheels and some lug studs. I am missing a lug nut right there, but that's because the bolt is actually messed up. I don't know if you can see that, if the camera will pick it up, but yeah, I'll be fixing that very soon. Like I said before, I'm not putting on the full lip kit yet because I am getting the car painted. I might install the lip kit. What I mean by the lip kit is the side skirts, the rear lip. If you guys want to see that in the video, I can show y'all. I'll mainly do a video just for that. If y'all want that, go ahead and drop a like and some comments that y'all want that. And pretty much it. Nothing too big. I do have a AM piggyback ECU. I didn't go full standalone, and I can do a video on that if y'all guys want to know why I went with the piggyback. You know, it's pretty dirty in my car. Nothing too crazy, but you know, I do have full SI interior mats off an original SI, brand new. Got those on a steal for 30 bucks. It was a little drive, but that's okay. I do have LED interior lights on here. You know, you got the rear SI mat with that one as well. The rear interior is just plain and simple. I do got factory tint that's actually peeling. I might do tint. You know, really want that tint look. I do have SI seats in my car, really comfortable. Let's go ahead and get inside. So first of all, I got a shift knob. Yeah, you know, guys, whatever you want to think, you know, that's up to me. I like this. I preferably like it, you know. I do have a Avenue Performance steering wheel. It's chipping, but nothing too major. You know, I'm gonna let it chip and then keep it the wood grain look, because it really looks nice. Like you guys can tell, that looks super nice. I do have NRG hubs. I picked this up at Import Alliance like 2 years ago, so it's been a very good setup for me so far. When you look inside, you know, I got a few stickers on here. I did do a sticker bomb on the side panels, so that looks really good. Give you a little close up right there. Got a very nice. I did it on the right side. I do have more stickers to finish it up, but I don't want to do that at the moment. Show you guys what other stickers I got right now. Got these stickers. I have way more, you know. That's a lot. A lot of them in here. You know. Let me know, guys, if y'all want more sticker bombs. Probably do that for you. But yeah, let's go ahead and open the hood real quick. Before we open the hood, you know, let's talk about the CCU. So this is a AM fuel ignition controller. Most of y'all people know it as AM FIC, and this is the 6, so it can handle 6 cylinders. You know, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's go ahead and open the car and take a look under the hood real quick. Another mod, you know, you got that sound system, you got that double din. I do have my boost controller and my boost gauge down there. I currently do not have a wideband on the car installed yet, but we'll do that soon before I get it tuned, so I know if I'm running rich or if I'm running lean. Don't want neither, you know, want to be in the right spot. Alright, so guys, if y'all don't know, my car is turboed. It's reading 6-7 psi at the moment, but who knows, it could be pushing less. It is a knockoff boost gauge, but I just needed to read my boost to make sure I don't got a leak. Might upgrade to a better one, but don't know, trying to keep the budget. So I did go with an Emusa turbo kit, roughly a good amount of money. I got it off of eBay. It's been working good. It's I think a 50 trim with a .63 AR. I do have a K&N filter. Got a silicone hose going down. I'll relocate my battery to the back soon, so I can run the intake right here to get the best airflow. I do have a blow-off valve that is currently JB welded because it fell off on the weld, and we're currently learning how to weld aluminum, but it's been holding up really good. No leaks on it yet. It's really sturdy. You can see all my vacuum lines and stuff. Give you a closer look. That's the wastegate. You got the turbo. I did go with the cast iron manifold, so I can still run my AC and it blows super good, really cold. And you know, this is like house built, so it's not professionally done, but you know, at least I don't got no leaks. We did run the oil can to the one of the couplers, and this is not causing a leak because of the pressure that is putting with the nut and the one inside it. I did put silicone on here because this was messing it up. This should be going down to the intake. See what you want to do. I'll be posting up a video in a few days. I got a car part coming in tomorrow. Might do a video on that. Might install it. If anything, guys, y'all guys go at me, Chavez_843 on Instagram, and let me know what y'all want to see. This is just a start. If this YouTube thing goes well, you know, I might keep doing it. Hope you guys enjoy.